I can't die again.
We didn't make it, did we?
No.
And we have to try again.
Up the old road, there's a place. Abandoned for years. Stuck in time. Somewhat unusual. When night falls, fear takes shape in the dark.
What's happening?
Death starts the night over, where new horrors await.
I'm just gonna grab it. Don't move.
Yeah. What? Is it gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
What?
It's still in my face!
Your nights here are limited. Die enough times in this place, your time will run out. The only escape, survive until dawn. But I'm sure those are just stories.
Totally.
Please help me!